whether collagen supplements really solve the problem of skin aging. Collagen supplementation to stop the skin aging is a fad or future. Whether collagen-rich natural foods really increase the level of this protein in our body like collagen supplements. Watch full video to know all the answers.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Tavati's presentation. Today topic of the presentation is collagen supplement.
Recently, use of collagen supplements as nutraceutical is getting popularity day by day, mainly for the treatment of skin aging. Various companies are promoting their commercial products containing collagen supplements. They are claiming that their products are beneficial for wrinkle reduction, skin rejuvenation, skin aging reversal, and skin plumping.
Two types of collagen supplements are gaining popularity. Hydrolyzed collagen, which is also known as collagen hydrolysate or collagen peptides, and second one is gelatin. Collagen hydrolysates are found as in peel or powder form. Powdered collagen peptides can be easily incorporated into foods like juice, soup, smoothies, etc. Whereas gelatins are used for the preparation of candy, marshmallow or dessert. Gelatin is produced from natural collagen by denaturation process and by acid-base hydrolysis, whereas hydrolyzed collagen is produced by enzymatic hydrolysis process. Molecular weight of collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen is very less. It is about 2 to 5 kilodalton or less than 10 kilodalton. Collagen is found in the connective tissues of animal foods like chicken, pork, beef and fish. However, it is still not clear if we consume collagen-rich food, collagen production in our body will be increased or not. As you know that when we eat protein, it's broken down into amino acids and then absorbed in our body and reassembled inside our body. So the collagen we eat wouldn't translate directly into higher levels in our body. Moreover, after the age of 20, a person produces about 1% less collagen in the skin per year. Studies have shown that age-dependent reduction in collagen synthesis can be reversed by oral administration of specific bioactive collagen peptides. Hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides consists of small peptides with low molecular weight, already I mentioned about that, which is enriched in specific amino acids including glycine, proline and hydroxyproline. Due to its low molecular weight, hydrolyzed collagen is highly digestible, absorbed and distributed in the different tissues of the human body. Hence, if we consume collagen supplements containing collagen peptides, that will be more helpful to increase collagen content in our body as compared to natural collagen which is obtained from animal foods. Therefore, skin aging can be controlled by collagen peptides or collagen supplements. Molecular weight of gelatin is also less as compared to native collagen, so it may be more fruitful. Sufficient reports are not available on collagen supplements. However, those few existing reports show promising benefits of collagen supplementation. Let's discuss about them. How collagen is associated with skin aging, I already discussed about that in my last video. You can check that. Main purpose of taking collagen supplements is to reduce skin aging by reducing wrinkles and dryness. Second use of collagen supplements is for the treatment of osteoarthritis. Cartilage protects our bone joints. Integrity of cartilage is maintained by collagen. So joint disorders like osteoarthritis are increased as collagen content is decreased with age. Therefore, collagen supplements may help to reduce that joint pain or osteoarthritis. Osteoporosis is characterized by low bone density with higher risk of bone fractures. Our bones are made up of collagen. Osteoporosis is increased with age as collagen production is reduced. So, collagen supplements may reduce this disease condition. Atherosclerosis means narrowing of arteries. If collagen content is reduced, arteries may become weak and fragile, which may lead to heart attack. Collagen supplements may help reduce the risk of heart-related conditions. Few doctors sometimes provide collagen supplements to treat leaky gut syndrome. Collagen supplements may prevent brittleness of nail and may increase growth of both hair and nails. Collagen peptides have also shown bioactivities like antioxidant properties, anti-hypertensive activity, and lipid lowering activity. Nowadays, lots of beauty products are available in the market as a serum and cream containing collagen peptides. Natural collagen is less soluble in water and acidic pH due to the higher number of mature cross-links, whereas collagen peptides have excellent ability to bind water, which helps to maintain proper water content in our skin during the daytime. Hence, collagen peptides are one of the main constituents of cosmetic formulations because of its moisturizing, regenerating, and film forming properties. Several experiments have shown that due to smaller sizes, collagen peptides can be efficiently absorbed and distributed to the dermis, that is the deepest layer of our skin, where they can stimulate the proliferation and motility of fibroblast, which synthesizes the extracellular matrix and collagen. They induce an increase in the density and diameter of collagen fibers. They increase hyaluronic acid production and activate protection against UVA radiation. Hence, collagen degradation by UVA can be reduced by collagen peptides. As I already mentioned that in my last lecture about the hyaluronic acid. Main function of hyaluronic acid is to retain water, to keep our tissues well lubricated and moist. So using the collagen peptides, we can hydrate our skin more. Like collagen peptide supplement, bone broth is also very popular in health and wellness community. It is a source of gelatin. It is helpful for health of our joint, bone, brain, gut, hair, skin and nails, and it is also helpful to boost our immunity. Whether bone broth and collagen peptide supplements are the same, let's know about that. Collagen peptides or collagen supplements are made by breaking down the hides and skin and scales of animals or fish by heat and then enzymatic hydrolysis process. Whereas bone broth is the clear protein-rich liquid prepared by simmering animal bones and connective tissues in water over a lengthy cooking time. This process extracts nutrients including gelatin from the bones. Collagen supplement contains only one thing, collagen peptides, whereas bone broth contains multiple nutrients, including naturally occurring chondroitin sulfate, which is found in bones and cartilage, hyaluronic acid, nearly 20 other forms of amino acids, minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, alkyl glycerols, lipids that have been shown to have powerful immune supporting properties. Few people prefer collagen supplement, others prefer bone broth. If you need specific targeted results for skin, bones, joints, hair or nails, then must choose collagen peptide supplement because it is more concentrated and more bioavailable. Molecular weight of collagen peptides is less as compared to gelatin present in bone broth. If you want a broad range of overall nutrients, then go for bone broth. It's still not clear whether collagen from natural sources provides same benefits like collagen supplements. Although use of hydrolyzed collagen as nutraceutical or in the beauty products is increasing day by day, it's very essential to check their efficacy and effectiveness. As huge number of products are available in the market, it is not easy to select the best one. Although side effects are not reported, consult your doctor before taking any collagen supplement or any cosmetic containing collagen peptides.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. If you want to give any feedback, kindly write it in the comment box. For further reading, you can check my description box. I have given some links. For better understanding, you can check my other videos on collagen.